Hey, what's up, guys? Today we've got a really special project we're going to work on. We've got this pile of parts here, got some rods here, got a piston, got a timing gear, timing chain, some spark plugs, some lug nuts on the spark plugs, a couple of wrenches. So yeah, this is special today. We're gonna have some fun with this. So keep watching and watch what we do with this pile of stuff. And as we're going, I'll explain why we are doing it and everything behind it. But you gotta keep watching. This is gonna be good. First, we're gonna weld this lug nut to this piece of pipe, and that's where we'll begin. We'll do that on 2 of them, and then show you what we're gonna do next. Let's get it welded. Tell you guys a little backstory about what we're doing here. My cousin's husband, he got some sort of cancer. I'm not sure what the cancer was, but it spread throughout his body, and he fought it, and he fought hard. He was in and out of the hospital for months. Although I didn't know him very well, I felt like after he passed that I owed it to my cousin to do a little tribute. He was a motorhead just like myself and my dad. That'll clean it. Looks like a little candle. This is gonna be cool. So we'll put this in the lathe and turn this down. All these parts right here are going to be a urn. I told her, you know, she had him cremated, and I told her to keep some of the ashes. And so, yeah, he was 34 years old. He died back in March, and we decided we were going to build an urn, do a memorial for him. She doesn't know anything about this, so keep watching this video and you'll see the surprise on her face. I know she's going to be surprised, and his friends and his family, and he left 4 little kids behind, and it's a sad situation. So anything we can do to brighten up their day. Is that where it looks good to you?
I think so.
Go down this way a little bit. Right there. Let's try that. You ready?
Yeah.
And just have something that they can look at on their mantle or on their TV stand or wherever they decide to put it. Okay? That just reminds them of what he loved and his passion for vehicles and the things that he loved. And so, yeah, we've got, this is gonna be cool. This is gonna be way cool. So we're gonna tack weld these wrenches on, and on each side here, and that'll be the legs. And so what this is it's kind of a little guy. This will be his arms. You'll see as we build it more. And then he'll be holding a V8 sign, and then the spark plugs will be plugs in the end of the V8. And so she can put the ashes down in the end of the plug. I think that'll do. Look how cool that looks. Like it. Do some polishing with the drill once that cools down a little bit, and then we'll get his arms built, get the V built for the 8. It's good stuff, you guys. Love it. We have this wrought iron business where we do these things called party posts. These are just some test pieces that we had. What we're gonna do with these, we'll take that like that and turn it into an 8, and we'll weld it here, weld it in there to where that's an 8. When we're done, that'll be a V8. We make hat racks and stuff and coat racks out of them. Eventually we'll start selling those. Yeah, a lot of people like them. I've sold a lot of them to different people, but that's gonna be our 8 for our V8. Okay, what do you think? Oh man. Not cool. We'll just leave that discolored like that, and it'll stand out like a sore thumb, and that with that V next to it. Now I'm gonna take it and TIG weld that V down the center. Look at that. Not too shabby. Got the V8 all laid out. I'm gonna weld the 8 here. This is the back side. And then we'll flip it. And then this will be our guy. You guys gotta keep watching this. You're gonna love this. I'm loving it. I love doing these tributes to people. It's so cool. It gives you an opportunity to give back and help people out and give them something to remember them by, something that is special and was special to them. So let's get to welding. Enough of the talk. I freaking love it. Look at that, you guys. Woo! Everything's hot. Look at that. That is awesome. Looks like that 8's just floating there. Look at that oil. Crazy. Okay, we'll get the arms made and let this cool down and get those welded. That'll be his arms. Everything's so hot. Anyway, we got the V put on and one arm put on. Look how cool that thing is. Isn't that cool? Yeah, it should be. So this is Goose's car. I don't know a lot about him. This style of car. It's going to be the plat holder right here. We're going to try to weld it in place before I breathe and move it. I know old cars, don't know these, but this is a sweet little car. I know his brother got it up and going for him. And it's a drift car, right-hand drive. I didn't know that either. But it's pretty sweet. Pretty good tribute to Goose. Right here. Maybe I just let it sit there and burn the oil out of it. Everything's good. As long as they don't drop it, I hope. But there's that spark plug still comes off. We'll let it cool down. We'll mount a little plate there. Clear coat it after we clean it up. And then we'll continue onward. All right. Got this all cleaned up, ready for the tag tomorrow morning. We'll brake clean it, and then put some clear coat on it, just like that, right? And then it's a memorial. So cool. Take the spark plug off, put the ashes in there, and put it up on the mantle or whatever they want to do with it. But
Ronnie has made a gift for them. Yeah, these two made a gift for them, and he's gonna give that to her now.
Okay, so when I heard about this memorial, first off, I love memorials. To me, it's way better than more of a celebration. Everybody gets together, have a good time. We love doing stuff. We love doing stuff for like tributes. We have a YouTube channel where we do things, and this is just our way of giving back. It's the least we can do for Cammie, help her out. So this is for her and her kids to enjoy and remember their dad. So go ahead and open that up. Just be careful, it's heavy. Put it on in.
I provided the box, come on guys.
Be very careful. All right, so we just took a bunch of car parts where he's a motorhead like us. We love that. And so we built this. This is an urn. And she can take this spark plug out here and put his ashes in that side of it. And that can sit on the mantle. So this is our gift to you and your family. Happy birthday, girl. You're so welcome, dude. I'm glad to do that for you guys. My dad he was just as much help. Give him a hug. He don't like being up here in the spotlight. years ago. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you to let us have the opportunity to do it. Cammy wanted it to say love like Deuce and just make it simple, so it's got his birthday and his death day, so what a great tribute. So thank you all for coming. Thank you. Appreciate it. Or you can have your dogs back.